Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to select mask type in text encrypted field in Salesforce. And we are going to discuss this topic in both edition, in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move to our org. This is our Lightning org and here we are going to learn how to select mask type in text encrypted field in Salesforce. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that. And under this gear icon, there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open and under the setup page, we can see that two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. On the name bar, select the object manager tab. Our object manager page is open and under this page, we can see that lots of objects are present. So we want to select the account object. The account object is present at the top. Click on this object. The account page is open and under this page we can see that the detail related to the account, and on the left side there is a fields and relationship option under the detail section. So click on this option. After selecting the field and relationship option, the fields and relationship section is open and under this section we can see that lots of fields are already created. Now scroll to the bottom of the fields page and here we can see that there is a credit card number field with a text encrypted data type. So click on this field. After clicking on the credit card number field, the credit card number page is open and under this page we can see that the detail related to the credit card number. If we want to edit this page, so click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, our credit card number page comes into a edit mode. Now we want to edit anything, so scroll to the bottom of the page and here we want to edit the mask type, and in the general option there is a mask type and we want to select any of mask type, and here we are selecting the last four character clear as a mask type and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, our text encrypted credit card number is created and we can also select the mask type for this field, and the mask type is present under the general option, and here we can see that the last four character clear mask type is created successfully. Now move forward and discuss about how to select mask type in text encrypted field in Classic. So for this, firstly click on the profile picture and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. So click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open. Now here we can see that there is a username. Click on the drop down arrow of the username and select the setup option. Now our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and click on the drop down arrow of the customize, and under the customize option there is a create option, and under this option we can see that there is an object. Click on these objects. Our custom objects page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here lots of custom objects are created. Now we want to select the employee custom object, so click on this employee. Our custom object employee page is open. Now scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we can see that there is a custom fields and relationship section, and under this section there is an identification number. So click on this identification number field. After clicking on the identification number field, the identification number field page is open. Under this page we can see that the detail related to the identification number field. So if we want to edit this page, so click on the edit button. After clicking on the edit button, our identification number field page comes into the edit mode. Now we want to edit anything we want. So scroll to the bottom of the page. Here we want to edit the mask type. So click on the drop down arrow of the mask type and select any type. And here we are selecting the last four character clear and then select the mask character, and here we are selecting the X as a mask character and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we come back to our employee custom field and identification number page, and then we can scroll to the bottom of the page and here we can see that there is a general option present on this page, and under this general option we can see that the mask type is shown, which we select the last four character clear, and after that we can see that there is a mask character we select as an X and shown under this page. So with this we have learned how to set mask type in text encrypted field in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.